Hello everybody, RV living with the geezer. Getting a few raindrops on the windshield, so I might have to use the wipers a little bit. I just want to talk about we're in the middle of December, and so 2024 is coming to an end, and this is a time of the year when your taxes close out, and I just want to bring up a couple of tips for any of you all that have small YouTube channels. If you're monetized, you make over $600, 600 or more, IRS is going to send you a 1099, and so I've found that these driving videos, most of y'all probably already know this. Sorry about the raindrops, guys, but nothing I can do about that. These driving videos, last year, I monetized my channel. Let me start out a little bit different. I monetized my channel year before last when I was out in Fort Davis. It really grew for a while there, and so I got to monetize it. I got up to 1,000 subscribers. So what you want to do once you get it monetized, since you're going to get that 1099 if you make $600 in a year, you want to keep track of all your expenses. And the biggest thing that I've found to keep track of is your mileage. And last year, the per mile amount that the IRS allows was 67 cents a mile. Guys, I tell you what, that adds up pretty quick. When you're I do a lot of driving videos, as all of y'all know. When that 67 cents a mile adds up pretty quick. You have to have it documented, so I just keep one of those little pads, a small pad in the car, in the Geezer mobile here, and just write down my mileage when I take off. And I keep it pretty legit, actually. It's not like if I'm going between Decatur and or Boyd and Decatur, it's like 15 miles. If I talk for half of that trip, that's all I'll use. But I tell you what, it adds up really quick. So just keep that in mind. And last year I bought like a Chromebook, anything that can go towards your channel. If you have to replace your phone, and you use your phone for your videos, you can deduct that phone, the price of that phone. You can probably deduct. I'm not a tax expert by any stretch of the imagination, but so I'm not going to tell you things that I don't know about, but I do know about 67 cents a mile. That's what I'm going to really emphasize right here. So I'm sure most of y'all know that already, because it actually helped me out quite a bit, because I really don't make that. The first year I monetized, I didn't even make $600. The year before last, I got a check very rarely, because you have to make at least $100 a month to get the check, or else you don't lose your money, but it just rolls over to the next month. So this year, last year, I would get a check every 2 months, and that's all I'm doing this year. And it's even hard to do with the lack of content that I've got up here. But anyway, that's just a one little tip there. But I tell you what, I filed my income tax last year, and I always was self-employed through my fire department career, and so I did my own taxes. And you'll have to fill out a Schedule C, which is nothing to it, or if you give it to a tax person to do your income taxes, just make sure you have that mileage written down, because they're going to tell you that you have to have that. You have to have it documented, okay? And it's really, for what it does for you, it's very, in my opinion, it's very worthwhile doing. So yeah, that's the tip for the day from the geezer. And if I can think of anything else, like I say, I'm not going to tell you anything I'm not sure of. But I just thought, getting to the end of the year, you cut it off on December 31st, and then you start over the next year, of course. Anyway, guys, I hope everybody's doing good, and yeah, everything's going good with me right now. And Luna, she's back at the house, and I'm leaving her in the yard with the dogs more and more, so she'll get used to, she'll know that I'm coming back, doesn't try to get out and follow me or anything. I think she knows she's got a gravy train right there. Anyway, guys, I don't want to make this too long, but just y'all that are small channel creators, hopefully, that would help you. If you, like I said before, you probably know that already. And I don't know if it's going to go up this year, that 67 cents. I've never seen it go down. Like I say, I worked part-time for myself and had to do self-employment form and all that all through the years, and the mileage rate has never gone down. It's always gone up. So just keep an eye on it. And anyway, that's it. Guess I'll be talking to y'all later. You can tell my videos aren't scripted. I don't practice them or anything. That's why I got a lot of uhs and hesitations, and that's just me, guys. I do me. Where have you heard that one before? All right, long enough. Peace out, everybody. Heading home. Bye-bye.